Hey y'all, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with a glueless frontal tutorial. The last one went viral. Y'all had a whole lot of questions, so I'm going to address those in this video. If you'd like to see it, then stay tuned. So first and foremost, the braids that I do is 2 slanted braids above each ear. They meet in the back, and then the rest of the area is filled with straight backs, and they all connect as well. So that is my braid pattern, and the way that I attach the elastic band is above the ear on the frontal. So the entire frontal is not used, you guys. You can see that I am measuring across, just seeing where the elastic band should be and where above her ear is. So this is how I attach that elastic band, and I'm just putting it on and sizing her up to see that it fits, and it does. It is perfect on the first try. And so I am now going to sew across the back of the frontal. How I do that is I start in the middle, and then I go all the way down to the right side. Then I come back up to the middle, and I go all the way down to the left side. That just makes a really flat install in the back. Now I am feeling for that front braid that is right there above the ear. I make a parting in that section, and I sew through the lace onto that braid. I do that on both sides, and then I go in and ask her, you know, where she plans on never parting her hair on each side, and I sew onto those 2 braids as well. So I sew on a total of 4 braids through the frontal to secure it. So now I'm just going in with my foam wrap and laying her baby hair. I did do, you know, like just thin sections of hair, and I cut them using a razor and not scissors, and I'm just, you know, combing the hair going down and then back into the hair, you know, so it's a soft look. We ain't making baby bangs, we're making baby hair. And I'm just going to do that until I am satisfied with it. If you want something that's going to hold for a longer time, then you will use the Got To Be clear gel. I just want a very soft look, so I use the foam lotion. And oh, before you do this, you want to sew in that first bundle and then lay the baby hair and tie down the baby hair with a black wrap strip. Therefore, when the second bundle and the third bundle are being sewn in, the edges are drying so that your client does not have to go underneath the dryer. So now I'm just sewing in the second bundle, and I'm just going back and forth and back and forth. Make sure that the edge of your weft, where you're folding over or ending the weft, is like directly next to your frontal. You want the hair on the weft to fall down to the side just like the frontal. I've seen so many times where people kind of put stylists on blast for putting that one last weft all the way across the back edge of that frontal, and that hair falls backwards and the frontal hair falls down to the side. So it kind of creates a separation, and it just, you know, it makes your frontal clockable. It makes it hard for the client to, you know, blend the frontal hair with the weft hair, so you don't want to do that. And I'm just going to keep on going back in that smile type of shape until I get all the way up to the top of her hair and close that up, just going straight across. So I have sprayed this mulatto curl hair from Monroe Mob with water and conditioner and just brush through. Yes, y'all, this is the finished look. I'm so proud of it. I love curly hair with a frontal. It just looks so good. She looking all exotic or whatever. Make sure you guys follow her. I'm gonna put her Instagram on the bottom of the screen and also in the description box. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much. We're almost at 10K subscribers. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all click that red button, stop playing with me, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.